Hello everybody. Today I will show you how to share Google Photos storage with the family. Many of you must be using the Google Photos or Google Drive, and some of you might have upgraded the storage because the free limit is very low. But what if you want to share this storage with your friends or family so that they doesn't need to upgrade individually? Many people don't know about it. Here's how. Go to onegoogle.com and sign in using Google account where you have upgraded the storage. Sign in. Now tap on 3 horizontal lines. Tap on benefit. After that, scroll and you will see share storage and more. Click on view details. From here, if you have subscribed, click on create a group, Google family group to use this benefit. Click to manage and then on tab and create a family group. Click on confirm and create it. From here, you can search for your family members and add them. Once you have added them, tap on send. Now you have created a group. The invitation will be sent to the person and they will accept in their email. That's it. Thanks for watching.